Hi there. When I started my own WebGIS journey, OpenLayer's GeoServer and Postgres were one of the few tools that I started learning in my early career. I created countless applications using these technologies which were scalable, secured as well as interactive. During this time, I also launched my own Udemy course to teach these skills to you guys, and more than 4,500 people have already purchased this. I've also received a lot of email requests as well as LinkedIn DMs to take a live and interactive cohort, and I'm really excited to do that now. In the March of 2025, I'm launching my first cohort of 3 weeks covering the entire GeoServer. This is going to be a pretty intensive theory as well as practical focused approach where we are going to cover everything from installation all the way up to making the production ready GeoServer. How we can do advanced level of styling, how we can secure our data using multiple filters, as well as how we can use external extensions. In order for me to deliver the best, I have decided to keep the limited sitting of only 10 participants. By doing this, I will be able to pay personal attention to each and every participant. I'll be also sharing the book on the GeoServer that I'm writing before even it launches to the market. As well as you will have a 1 year of premier membership to the closed community that I'm catering to. And if you're looking to start your GIS development journey, I think this is one of the best places to be. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us over the email or have a look at the link in the description to fill out your form and secure your spot. Remember, we will be starting it in the March of 2025 with only 10 seats. So hurry up and grab your seats.